Hey guys, welcome back to Raj Tech India. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fill Form 15G for PF withdrawal in financial year 2021 to 2022. If you are filling Form 15G and submitting it for PF withdrawal after 1st April 2021, then this video will be definitely useful to you. Let's see how to fill Form 15G. But before that, if you want to download the Form 15G, I will provide the download link of this Form 15G in below video description. By clicking on that link, you can download it from the Income Tax India website. And remember, Form 15G is required whenever the service of the employee is below 5 years and PF amount is above 50,000 rupees. Whether it is equal to 50,000 rupees or above 50,000 rupees, then Form 15G is required. Otherwise, 10% tax will be deducted from the EPF claim amount of the EPF member. If PAN is also not linked with the UAN number of the employee, then 34.6% tax will be deducted. And if the service is above 5 years, then even though the amount is more than 50,000 rupees, then there is no need to submit Form 15G. Let's see how to fill Form 15G for PF withdrawal. In field number 1, write your name as per your EPF account. In field number 2, write your PAN number. In field number 3, write the status as individual. In field number 4, here we are in previous year 2021 to 2022. This financial year is started from April 1st 2021 and it will end on 31st March 2022. So if you are filling Form 15G in between April 1 2021 to March 31st 2022, then mention the previous year as 2021 to 2022. And if you are watching this video after 1st April 2022, then you have to mention the previous year as 2022 to 2023. Like that, you have to change the previous year. Previous year means the financial year. In field number 5, mention the residential status as Indian. From field number 6 to field number 13, write your address details including your email. In field number 14, write your mobile number. In field number 15, if you have filed any income tax returns, then tick yes. Otherwise, tick no. If you tick yes, then you have to mention the assessment year for which you have filed your IT returns. In field number 16, estimated income for which this declaration is made. Here you need to write the total PF amount which you are withdrawing. You can find that amount in your EPF passbook. To check your EPF amount, go to EPF passbook website and download your PF passbook and select view passbook old version, and here you can see total balance. You have to write this amount and you don't need to consider pension amount to submit Form 15G. You have to consider only PF contributions of the employee and employer, and these two amounts together will be this amount. You have to write this amount. After writing the PF withdrawal amount in field number 16, let's come to field number 17. Here you have to mention the total estimated income for that financial year. Here the financial year is 2021 to 2022. Here you have to mention your estimated annual income for that particular financial year, and you have to combine that amount with PF withdrawal amount mentioned in field number 16. For example, if your annual income for a financial year is 1 lakh, then the 1 lakh plus this PF withdrawal amount you have to mention here. And remember one thing, if your total amount is about 2,50,000 rupees, then you will come under income tax slab limit. In that case, 10% TDS will be deducted. So it is better to withdraw your EPF amount whenever you don't have any job in a particular financial year. Let's come to field number 18. Here you need to mention any previous Form 15Gs which you have submitted for fixed deposits or any other cases. In that case, you have to mention those details. Suppose if you have submitted one Form 15G, then you have to mention one here and mention the interest amount for which you have submitted Form 15G. If you haven't submitted any previous Form 15Gs, then just leave this field blank. Let's come to field number 19. Here mention the serial number as 1, and under identification numbers, write your PF number and your UAN number, and nature of income is PF withdrawal, and section is 192A, and amount of income is, here mention your PF withdrawal amount. And finally, signature of the declarant. Here put your signature and come to this declaration field. Here write your full name again and come to previous year ending on. Here the previous year ending on is 31st March 2022. Why? Because here we have taken previous year as 2021 to 2022 and this will end on 31st March 2022. So here you have to write 31st March 2022 and the assessment year is the year followed by the financial year. Here the assessment year will become 2022 to 2023. You have to consider these years based on the period in which you are withdrawing your EPF amount. Here again mention the previous year ending on as 31st March 2022 and the assessment year as 2022 to 2023. Here at the signature of the declarant, put your signature and here mention the place in which you are residing and mention the date on which you are withdrawing your EPF amount. And there is no need to fill part 2 of the form 15G, but you have to take the scan copies of all these 3 pages and you have to upload all these 3 pages in EPF website whenever you are submitting form 19. Whenever you are submitting form 19 in online at UN member portal, there you can see an option called upload form 15G. Here you need to upload the scanned copies of all the 3 pages of form 15G in PDF format. Whenever you submit form 15G, then no tax will be deducted from your EPF claim amount. If you don't submit form 15G, in most cases your PF claim will be rejected or tax will be deducted from your EPF withdrawal amount. So this is how to fill form 15G for PF withdrawal. I hope you like this video and for more videos like this, please share and subscribe to Raj Tech India. Thank you.